Good morning, children. Hope you are okay and you are doing your work as usual. Now, children, we have learned about the seasons. You know all these three seasons and different types of seasons, and with that, we change our clothes according to the season. Okay, even food also will sometimes will eat according to the season also, right? Now we will be going to learn S4 rivers of India. Now we'll talk about our rivers in India. Now, to classify the rivers of India into northern and southern rivers. Now, in India map, I'll show you. In India map, it has been divided into, rivers has been divided into two groups like northern and southern, right? Now, actually it is, rivers are all surrounded by, water is surrounded by seas and rivers and oceans. Okay. Now rivers. Now northern rivers flows through northern plains. It flows through northern plains. I'll show you in the map, children. And it goes to the Ganga. Right? This is north side. North is up and south is down. So half here. This side and this side half. Now northern rivers, this is north, this is south. Southern rivers flows through plateaus. It flows through plateaus, that is Godavari. Okay, I'll show you the map 1 minute, children. It has been divided how? Here, this is northern and this is southern. I hope you can see. I'll show you in book also. It is there in the book. This is Godavari there. Okay. Now all here all rivers comes under blue color, children. Okay. So now you have understood, children. Okay. This is a chart. You can one time just see, children. Okay. You understand? Right. Now, children, now rivers are important water bodies as they provide water from drinking. Yes, we need drinking water, no? Another purpose. A river originates from the mountains. It comes from the mountains and flows towards the plains. You know, I showed you the plains, and finally mix into an ocean or sea. Okay. Now, most of the rivers of the northern state originate from Himalayas. It starts from the Himalayas. Then they move to the plains where they are joined by many other rivers. Joins with many other rivers. The rivers of the southern group originate in the Peninsular Plateau. In center it is Peninsular Plateau, no children. There it goes and then flows towards the coastal plains. Coastal plains is borders, you know, no? Now borders of like Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, right? And then it goes to the Indian Ocean. These rivers are joined by lesser number of other rivers. Then the northern rivers than the northern rivers. Okay. Now, the water is most of the northern rivers comes from the melting of snow in the Himalayas. From Himalayas, the snow will melt from Himalayas, right? So from where it comes water, it comes from the snow, melting snow from the Himalayas, right? The southern river get their water from the rainfall. Now southern side, there we get water from the rainfall, children. Please remember this, children. This is very important lesson, children. You have to learn, children. This read the lesson also. These rivers originate in the Peninsula Plateau but flows towards the northern plains and then joins the river originating from the northern mountains. Therefore, these rivers are part of the northern group of rivers and are called northern rivers because it is going through, it is coming from northern side. That is why it is known as northern rivers. Okay, now you understood? I'll show you the maps. Open your reader, page number 60. You can see this map, children. Now this is northern side, this is all white side, no? This side all Himalayas it is. Okay, snow is melting and going through down. This is all peninsula, yellow color. Okay, now here it goes to the Ganga, here Ganga, and so this comes under northern side, half. See this half, this is north and this is south, right? And southern side flows toward peninsula with Godavari. Here you can see here Godavari. Okay, Godavari, river Godavari. Yeah. Right. Now I'll read this from reader. River of India. India is surrounded by water bodies on all three sides. Arabian Sea lies in the west. It is in the west. Arabian Sea is in the west. Okay, lies in the west. The Indian Ocean in the south. Indian Ocean is south. Down. See, down here. Yeah, this is south here. Indian Ocean. This is Arabian Sea. This is Indian Ocean. This is Bay of Bengal. Okay, in the east. There are also many rivers in India. Okay. Now, children, northern rivers. Northern rivers, river Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra start flowing from the Himalayas. From Himalayas it starts. Okay, Himalayas, and flows into the Bay of Bengal. These rivers are snow-fed and therefore get water throughout the year. Throughout the year it will be water. Some rivers such as Chambal and Betwa start flowing from the peninsula, here peninsula plateau, but flows towards the northern plains and join river Yamuna, which later joins river Ganga. Okay, that is northern side. Southern rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri start from the peninsula plateau and flows into the Bay of Bengal. Narmada and Tapti are the only two major rivers which start from the peninsula plateau. Narmada, Tapti they are two major rivers, children. Don't forget, which start from the peninsula plateau and flows into the Arabian Sea. It goes into the Arabian Sea. These rivers are rain-fed. See, that is snow-fed and this is rain-fed. Why? Because here in south side rain falls in southern side. That is why it is known as rain fed, and therefore get water only during the rains. They dry up during the summer. Mostly you will be hearing, children, in summer rivers are dried up, right? Some places are dried up. See this here. Okay, understood? Now as for rivers of India, now fill in the blanks. First one, most of the northern rivers start from the Himalayas and then flows towards the Bay of Bengal. They get their water mostly from the melting of snow. So dash word is Himalayas, Bay of Bengal, melting of snow, plateaus. Melting. Now B1, most of the southern river start from the plateaus and then flow towards the Bay of Bengal. They get their water from rains. Okay. Now divide the rivers in the map into two groups, northern river and the southern river, and label them. Also name at least 2 to 4 rivers in each group on the map itself. So here, children, see, when you mark, children, you have to mark with blue pencil, color pencil, okay, not with sketcher, it will spread. So pencil, blue pencil. This is Bay of Bengal, this is Arabian Sea, here Godavari, Bhima, Krishna, Ganga, Betwa, Darbhag, then Satluj, Gomti river, Narmada. Children, you can see from your reader also. Okay, see the reader page number 60, and you can see and mark it up. Okay, that's all the best. Okay.